Hi everyone, it's Nancy from Ashes Treasures, and we're here today showing the Christmas decorations we've been doing over the weekend. I've been busy with Christmas shopping and decorating and trying to move things around, so I didn't load a video Sunday just yet. This is Santa and the reindeer, and with Rudolph leading, and then our Christmas tree. This is done with parlor bees. My daughter-in-law did this last year for me, and they made the trip very well. And still just flurries outside, no accumulation, which is really sad because I really love snow. Next is our Christmas tree. We're getting there, not quite finished. And then we have Santa and the toy soldier protecting, so far, the first Christmas gift under the tree. And now we have our stockings.
This is the first Christmas tree of all. It has bell, it has everything is, even the green and red snowflake mix. One has Buzz and one has a space alien.
There's the Buzz. And then there's a space alien.
There's the space alien and there's Buzz.
And that is Ash's Treasure doing the commentary. Our stockings, my son, my granddaughter, my daughter-in-law, and then me.
Races. There's a person, a top, and a ball. Here's a statue. Here's a peace monster on the other side.
That's from Frosty the Snowman. And then we have Rudolph.
And Rudolph is our special. And Rudolph doesn't go on the tree so well.
And then over here we have the Peanuts and the gang. There's Charlie Brown, Snoopy, and Woodstock. Decorating with the lights. My Christmas flag will be inside this year with the Christmas lamb and then our manger scene. So far we're getting there. Not quite finished, but when it's all finished, said and done, I will load up a video showing everything we put up.
When it's 15, we put up this.
And I will be loading another video of something that we cooked this week. And if you like what you've seen so far, please subscribe, hit the bell, and give us a thumbs up. And we'll see you next time on Ash's Treasures.